Are you a contractor, electrician, or HVAC business owner making good money but don't know where it's all going? You're working harder than ever and your revenue is climbing, but somehow there's never enough money in the bank. And your current bookkeeper? They just send you your reports that you don't understand and wish you luck. Hi, my name is Chrystal and I help small business owners in the Dallas-Fort Worth area and really get clear on their numbers so they can focus on growing their business instead of just surviving month to month. But here's what makes me different. I'm not your typical bookkeeper who just records your transactions and disappears until next tax time. Most bookkeepers, they treat your business like data entry. They categorize your expenses, reconcile your accounts, and send you a P&L, and call it a day. And that's fine if all you want is historical paperwork. But here's what I've learned working as a financial analyst with companies like Apple and ADP. Good books is just the starting point. What you need is someone who can look over your financial numbers and tell you exactly what they mean for your business. Sitting in those meetings at Apple and ADP, there was always someone there to discuss their numbers with. Someone who understands the business and can help them think through big decisions. Should you expand into that service line? Are your margins healthy? And can you afford to hire? Most business owners do not have answers to these questions. They're flying blind, making gut decisions with six-figure consequences. Growing up as a child of an entrepreneur, I know exactly what it's like firsthand, making good money, but yet still living paycheck to paycheck. Because there's no one there to talk through the financial decisions of your business. That really shaped my mission and inspired me to create my business, Living Ledger. Here's my philosophy. You need someone else besides yourself who has a vested interest in your success. Someone who knows your numbers inside and out, who you can actually have a real conversation with about your business and your numbers before making the decision to hire, purchase, or expand. And that's where I come in. Someone who you can actually call and say, hey, I'm thinking about buying another truck. Does this make financial sense for my business? And I can actually answer that because I know your cash flow, your margins, and your seasonal patterns. It's like having a CFO look at your financials every single month without the $200,000 salary. Here's specifically what I do for service business owners like yourself. First, I make sure your books are compliant with no surprises when it comes to tax time. Second, I give you strategic financial guidance throughout the year. We'll look at cash flow, profitability by jobs, and seasonal patterns. And third, I help you make confident financial decisions. You'll have real answers based on your real numbers. So who is this for? I'm not your typical bookkeeper. So if you're looking for someone to just record your transactional history and plug in your numbers, I'm not the accountant for you. If you're a contractor, electrician, or HVAC business owner, if you're ready to run your business like the large Fortune 500 companies, then we should talk. I'm certified in QuickBooks and I have CFO-level training focused on cash flow management to help you grow your business. But what I'm most proud of is helping business owners like yourself understand your numbers and what they mean for you and your business to help you succeed. Here's what I want to do for you. Book a financial assessment with me. It's free. Send over your financials, your tax return, your P&L, whatever you have, and I'll take a real honest look. I'll show you where your opportunities lie and what's actually working in your business versus what's costing you money. And if it makes sense for both of us, I'll put together a scope of work where I will become your bookkeeper and your strategic financial advisor. You'll get both clean books and strategic financial guidance all in one place. If you're ready to stop guessing about your numbers, then book a free financial assessment at livingledgeracct.com today. I'm Chrystal and I'd love to help you grow your business with confidence.